Right, how are we guys? Peach Maths here, the best math channel in the business. Now today I'm going to show you how to expand single brackets. Now if you look at the first example, you've got 2 bracket x plus 4, which means it's 2 lots of x plus 4. Okay, the 2 is touching the bracket and it means multiply. So if we have 2 lots of x plus 4, that's x plus 4, add another lot of x plus 4, gives you 2x plus 8. We multiply the inside of the bracket by the term on the outside. So you do 2 times x gives us 2x. 2 times 4 gives us 8. We can't add these together because there is no x next to the 8. Alright, I'm going to show you each little variation. So, let's say we have 3 times 2x. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, lots of x. We've got the plus 5. Now it's 3 times a positive 5, which gives you a positive 15. So you put a plus in between. Okay, for your next one, the sign has changed, but all it means is we do 4 times 2e, which gives us 8 lots of e. Then we got 4 times minus 7. 4 lots of minus 7 gives us minus 28. Okay, if both signs are different, so it's a positive 4 and a negative 7, that gives us a negative 28. Okay, so going back to 2 positives make a positive, a minus and a minus also makes a positive, and when both signs are different in any order, the answer is always a negative. Okay, so a positive 4 times a negative 7 gives us a negative 28. Right, the next variation is where they put a letter on the outside of the bracket. Okay, so we're timesing the whole bracket by f. Now f times f, we know from a previous video, f times f equals f squared. F times minus 8, again it's a positive f and a negative 8, so they equal a negative, so it's minus 8 lots of f. Okay, not f to the power of 8, it's 8 lots of f. They may also put a number with a letter on the outside, so all we do for this one is 3t times t, so that's 3 lots of t times t, which is t squared. We then got 3t times 9, well 9 times 3 is 27, they're both positive, so it's a plus 27 lots of t. Now again from my last video on simplifying expressions, we can only add the same powers of t together, so these will keep separate. Right, the last 2 variations then are with a negative term on the outside. And again, I'm going to use a little crib sheet here. Okay, so we've got minus 5 times a positive 3. That gives us a negative 15 lots of d. Okay, now the term here, don't see it as a plus 2, just see it as a positive 2. So you've got minus 5 times a positive 2. Both signs are different, so when both signs are different, it's always a negative answer. So it's a negative, so 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so you can see here, the sign changes in the middle. Okay, the final one for today then is minus 6 times a positive 8y. So minus 6 times a positive 8 gives us a negative 48 lots of y. For the second part, again here, we've got a minus 11. So it's minus 6, minus 6 times minus 11. Okay, we know from the crib sheet above, a minus and a minus makes a plus. So minus 6 times minus 11 gives you a positive 66. Therefore, you'll put a plus in between. It's a positive 66. Okay, thank you for listening, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Peace out. Goodbye.